If your Kia Niro keeps dropping Apple CarPlay mid-drive, don't blame the car just yet. The fix is usually simpler than you think. Data shows that over 80% of connection drops are caused by worn-out cables rather than the vehicle's infotainment system. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify exactly where your signal is failing. Start with the basics by cleaning your ports and switching to a certified high-speed cable before moving to software resets. Software conflicts like active VPNs or old Bluetooth pairings are often the hidden culprits behind frequent disconnections. Check your iPhone settings to ensure CarPlay is allowed while locked and that Siri is fully enabled. Try a soft reset first, but use the physical pinhole button on the dash for a full system reboot if issues persist. Generic cables fail significantly more often than official or certified options due to lower data transfer tolerances. Performing a clean repair by forgetting the connection on both the car and the phone often clears persistent handshake bugs. Keep a small toolkit in your glove box so you can reset the system quickly during a long road trip. Remember that modern infotainment systems are just computers, and sometimes they just need a fresh start. If these steps fixed your Kia Niro's connection, hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive tech solutions.